Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will take a new perspective Excel 2018 Module 2 SAM Project 1A. I will guide you through this project step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen and given in the first slide of this video. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, economics, writing, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our project to solve it step by step. Title of our project is that New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 2 SAM Project 1A Bagmat Urgent Care Clinic formatting workbook text and data and getting started there. Open the file NP. First last name 1 XLS available on the note from the SAM website. Basically in this question we will have to download this file from SAM website, and you can download easily from your SAM website. I have also downloaded this file from SAM website. You can see for the title of project, and you can see the description, and you can see this description to get idea about your project. Okay, and then save the file as remove the first XLS and then save as 2 XLS by changing the 1 to 2. Okay. Okay, click on file and click on save as and click on desktop or anywhere where you want to save, and you can remove one and save two, then press save. Okay, we will save as 2 with the file npxp19 to a first last name 2xls still open. Ensure that your first and last name is displayed in cell b6 of the documentation sheet. If cell b6 does not display your name, delete the file and download a new copy from the SAM website. Okay, basically in this question it says that file will be displayed on the b6 in the documentation sheet. It will, if it will be not display does not display your name, okay, delete the file and download a new copy from the SAM website. But this file will be displayed in cell b6 and it means it's good now. Then project step is that Jennifer Williams is the business manager at the Bagman Urgent Care Clinic. Jennifer is adding formatting to the workbook she uses to track statistics on patient visits to make it easier read and use. Change the theme of the workbook to office. You can read this instruction first and then we will apply on Excel workbook. It says that Jennifer Williams is the business manager at the Bergman Urgent Care Clinic. Jennifer is adding formatting to the formatting she uses to track statistics and patient visits to make it easier read and uses. Change the theme of the workbook to office. Okay, change the theme of the workbook to office. Moving on Excel workbook, click on documentation sheet, and then you can click on home tab, click on page layout, click on theme, and then you can select office and then click on visit workbook, click on home tab and then click on page layout and click on theme and click on select office theme. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that switch to visit worksheet and then format the heading, merge and center the range A1 to H1. It says that click on visit worksheet. Basically in this step we will have to click on visit worksheet and then format the heading. Okay, then we will select first this range, enter first this range, merge and center the range A1 to H1. We will enter first this range and then click on home tab, click on margin center and select margin center. This is done now. Now moving on step number 3, apply heading 1 cell style to the range A1 to H1. You can select first this range A1 to H1 and then go to the Excel workbook, and then apply heading 1 cell style. Okay, first we will enter this range A1 to H1, and then go to the cell style and then apply heading 1 cell style to the range A1 to H1. Okay, heading 1 cell style. Okay, this is done now. Now merge and center the range A2 to H2. First we will enter this range A2 to H2. Step number 4 is that merge and center the range A2 to H2. First we will have to enter this range A2 to H2 and then go to the home tab and then apply merge and center. Okay, select this range and go to the home tabs, click on margin center. Okay, to the margin center. Next, Jennifer needs to format the reports dates, change the background color to the range A4 to B5 to gray and 3 letter 80%. Okay, basically this question we will have to change the background color of this range. Range is that A4 to B5 and then apply gray and 3 letter 80% of the color. Okay, first we will enter this range A4 to B5 and then we will change the background color. Color select, we will have to select this color gray and 3. Okay, color to the range A5 to B5 to gray and 3 letter 80%. Okay, change the background. First we will enter this range A4 to B5 to gray and 3. Okay, enter this range. First we will have to enter this range and then go to the font color. Go to the font color, then we will apply this color. Okay, accent gray accent 3 letter 80% color, gray accent 3 letter 80%. We will select this color gray accent 3 letter 80%. Okay, okay, go to the font color and border bottom double bar. First we select this border. Sorry, where is cell style? Okay, you can apply this. Go to the font color and then you can apply this color. Okay, light gray accent 3 80%. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on customer 6, format the range A4 to A5 as bold. Basically in this question, first we select this range and then apply bold on this range. A4 to A5. Enter this range and go to the home tab and click on bold. Go to the home tab and click on bold. Okay, it will be bolded. Custom 7 is that I have done 6 questions of this project right now. Now moving on custom 7. Custom 7 is that format the range B4 to B5 to use a date format with the 2-digit month, a 2-digit day and 2-digit year. Format the range B4 to B5 to use a date format with 2-digit month, a 2-digit day and 2-digit year. Okay, first we will select this range, enter this range. Okay, then go to the number group and click on dates. Go to the number group and click on date and then you can select this range 2-digit. 3, 9, 14, 26. Okay, this is done now. This is good right now. Moving on question number 8. And I have done 7 questions of this project right now. Moving on question number 8 is that she also want to format the table heading, format the range is 7 to H8 as italic. Okay, basically this question, first we will enter this range is 7 to H8 and then we will apply italic, go to the home tab and then select italic and then click on italic, it will be apply italic on this range. Okay, first we will enter this range is 7 to H8. Okay, first we will enter this range A4 to A7 to H8. A7 to H8. Select this range 7 to H8 and then go to home tab and then click on italic. Okay, this is done now, it will be italic. Okay, moving on question number 9. I have done 8 questions of this project right now. Moving on question number 9, apply horizontal centering. Apply horizontal centering to the content of each cell in the range is 7 to H8. Basically in this question we will have to enter first this range and then apply horizontal centering to the contents. Okay. Okay, first we enter this range and then go to the alignment tab, go to the horizontal center. Okay, this is done now. I have done half project. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will provide you very reasonable price. I will provide you professional work. I will provide you A plus grade in your all assignment and your all exam and your all quiz and complete course. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.